Good morning, everyone! We are still here in the hotel. Good morning. Look at my view. I just woke up. So let's go and we're gonna head in for breakfast. We're gonna go eat our breakfast. We just woke up, White and I, and then we only have 30 minutes for our breakfast downstairs. Sorry guys for our messy hair, our messy face, but this is the reality. So just want to show you guys the reality. We're not plastic. Right there. Ready naman kayo mo. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. It's raining outside. Look who's waiting for us. He's about to sit down. Morning. See the view. So we're gonna eat here. Yeah, where we're gonna eat. See our view, guys. Nice. We're gonna have. It's raining outside, so we can do much after all. Outside. So we're all sitting in here facing the nice view. Yep. So this is the buffet breakfast. So we're gonna have our buffet breakfast here. This is part of our hotel. This is yes. Part of our hotel. We got eggs. I don't want eggs. Okay, there's a pancake. Here, let me help you. We have biscuits and gravy. Let's see this one here. Potato. Bacon and sausage. Bacon, and we have some donuts, muffins, and some cereal here, and fruits. And look at these people around there. So I'm gonna get mine now. Okay, this is my plate now. Breakfast. Get a view, guys. Ooh. Okay guys, I'm done with my breakfast. So I'm just waiting for my son. He's went to the restroom. So I'm just here in the lobby. And look at this view, guys. I'm sitting here in the couch facing the nice lake view. Right there. That's where we eat our breakfast. One right there. So here I am just chilling. This is the fireplace. And that's the lobby. It's really nice in here. Here comes White again.
8 semesters later.
Okay, we're gonna jump in the shower. Swimming. Ma. Yeah. This is the indoor swimming pool here in the hotel. And if you stay here in the hotel, you can get in the swimming pool for free. And they have also outdoor swimming pool area. So if you did not stay in this hotel, you have to pay to get in the swimming pool area. I think you have to pay $12 for guest, means you don't stay in this hotel, so you have to pay $12. And then for person that accompany with you that does not want to go swimming, you can only pay $5. So we're just having fun in here and chilling, and then we are going outside here in a bit. But in this area where we're just circling around, this is the lazy river for the kids. Since it's cold outside, it was raining, so we decided to stay here for a little bit while it's raining outside. But once we are get warm up here, we're gonna go outside later on. You'll see it, guys, the difference outside the pool area. So this is the outdoor swimming pool area of this hotel where we stayed, and we are just trying to get through with these obstacles, and White is kind of having hard time here, but he is trying. You did a good job, Baba. Keep on trying. But aside from that, guys, look at mom. She is really cold. We just got done swimming inside the swimming pool area, the indoor swimming pool area. So right now we are in the outdoor swimming pool area in the hotel. So the rain is non-stop. It comes and goes. So as of this moment, it stopped. But before that, it was pouring rain. So that's why we stayed most of the time in the indoor swimming pool area, because you cannot get warm in this swimming pool area here. It's more colder because we are right next to the lake. Here I am again trying to do these obstacles just to get my muscles warm up, because this is the only way I can get warm up. Because you see, there's less people here because of really raining and it's really cold. But I'm trying. Just don't judge me, please. Yes, I made it. Look at that. I made it. And here's Wyatt playing basketball, and that's his way of enjoying himself and warming up himself also. So here I'm again trying the third time, and I did it again, so I'm happy. So now I'm going back to Wyatt's area just to get warm up. As you can see, guys, the whole pool area, it's just me and Wyatt. That's how cold it is here outside the pool area. So it's just me, literally, it's just me and Wyatt in this area here. Mom is nowhere to be found because she went back to indoor swimming pool. So you see, it's less people, huh? And that's our hotel right there. That's where we stayed. And then it's right next to it is the indoor swimming pool area. So literally, it's just me and Wyatt. And this slides in there, those are part of the lazy river. So it's really big area for outdoor. It's just too cloudy. You see, the sky is so cloudy, and White and I are just having fun. Now we are finally inside the indoor swimming pool area. We get cold outside, so we decided to get here, and we're gonna try the slide. So this is my first time doing the slide with Wyatt for such a long time. So we'll see if I survive in this slide. So I'm hoping, help me Lord. So I'm kind of hesitate doing this, but I'm doing this with my son Wyatt. I wanted to share this with him that I am brave also, even I'm so scared. I finally get it done. Here we are. Woo! I survived. I'm alive. But I was dizzy, guys. Oh my goodness. I was really dizzy. I don't know if I'm gonna do it again. See, White is coming and making it sure if I'm okay. This is White's favorite slide. among the rest. He likes this one. I think this is his second time already sliding in this slide. So he had fun. I'm glad that he did it. And then I tried this one. This is the second time because he encouraged me to do it. So here's me and mom. After this slide, guys, I did not went back to swimming. I was pretending that I was okay, but oh boy, I was dizzy. So here is Wyatt and mom. Wyatt is teaching mom how to back float. She did good though. So I stopped swimming, guys. I went back to my room and get cleaned up because I was dizzy and get headache. So after we're done with our swimming, so we all get hungry. So we're here in the smoking Hereford, Iowa, Storm Lake, Iowa. So it looks good because it's kind of like more ribs. Yep, more ribs, more meat. So we'll see. Okay, hang on. I'll see. That's the outside. So everybody right there. And look at that. That's where we're going. We're gonna go in here. Wyatt and Mama. It's fully booked. Let's see, there's red. It's only 15 minutes from our hotel. Rod found this one online and they have really good reviews, and the reviews is right. It was really good restaurant. It's kind of like a joint or like a Whiskey Creek in Norfolk. You can get your own peanuts. It's just right in front when you are getting the entrance door. So you can get your own peanuts while you are waiting for your order or your food. It's really good here. You can eat your peanuts the way you want it. You can be messy all you want and just dump it on the floor because it's allowed here. You can toss it in the floor. They have a really unique glass. It's a mason jar. So here is Wyatt concentrating with his menu, and I just want to share this with you guys. Look at that, guys. It's a mason jar. It's very unique, and the floor, it's a gym floor. And then the table, it's like a plywood, I think, that they put it together, something like that. It's really nice. And here is Rod trying to enjoy his peanuts. So I was enjoying also their peanuts, and then after I was done eating all of these peanuts, I just dump it in the floor because they said the peanut shells helps the floor make it shiny. So that's all I know. That's why they allow people dump the peanut shells in the floor, because it makes it shiny. That's all the reason that I can think of. So here's the trivia for you guys. Look at our food, guys. It's really yummy. I ordered baby back ribs half with french fries and salad. I already ate my salad. And Rod has the same thing. Wyatt has burger with fries. Olan has the same thing as baby back ribs, but we had mashed potatoes. Mom, the same thing, baby back ribs, but she has sweet corn. So, bon appetit, everyone. And our cornbread is coming.
A few minutes later.
Empty plate for Mama. We couldn't eat the whole thing, so we put it back in here. So That's it for tonight, guys. We are now back to our hotel. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's time to get some rest.